The MYAH generates anterior corneal aberration maps from the topography data. Let me show you how to review this information. From the measurement screen, select the ZER or Zernike tab. Select which eye to view. The aberration map shows the optical irregularities generated by the anterior corneal surface. More colors on the map mean more aberrations and poor visual quality. The total quantity of aberrations is expressed as the RMS, or root mean square, in microns. It combines the quantity of astigmatism along with all the higher order aberrations, including spherical aberration and coma. The optical aberrations experienced vary with pupil size, so it is useful to change the pupil from the default value to a diameter that closely matches the pupil measurements captured with the MYAH under mesopic conditions. Notice how the aberrations increase as the pupil dilates. It can also be useful to look at the aberrations for the photopic pupil size when considering certain contact lens optical designs. To the right, the MYAH displays maps and metrics for the key aberrations: astigmatism, spherical aberration, coma, and other higher order aberrations. The chart in the middle shows the quantity of each Zernike polynomial. Longer bars indicate more of that particular type of aberration. Bars closer to the top have a greater impact on vision than the bars closer to the bottom. The graph option shows the aberration map again, along with an alternative chart of the Zernike polynomials. The grayscale indicates the quantity of each aberration and whether it is positive or negative. The point spread function simulates how well the anterior cornea can focus light to a single point on the retina. A tall, smooth peak indicates good optical quality, while a shorter, more spread out and distorted peak indicates the focus is impaired by corneal aberrations. The spot diagram is an alternative way to viewing the effect of anterior corneal aberrations on the ability to focus a point light source. Ideally, the spots should be in a round cluster that is densest in the center. The larger and more spread out the spot is, and the more light is scattered away from the center, the greater the visual impact of aberrations. The two VISIS charts simulate the impact of the corneal aberrations on vision under high and low contrast settings. You can select between a logmar chart or a single letter. These charts help to illustrate the visual impact of corneal irregularity to patients. Aberrations tend to have a greater impact on low contrast vision. And that's how to review anterior wavefront aberrations on the MYAH.